Hello, welcome to the lecture session on directional derivatives. In today's video, I am going to present what is directional derivative and the problems based on that. Suppose phi of xyz equals to c be a scalar potential at any point P, and for any direction vector d such that del phi dot n cap is called a directional derivative, where n cap is d by magnitude of d. So let's see the problems on the directional derivatives. Find the directional derivative of phi equals to 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z at the point 2, minus 1, 2 along the direction of 2i minus 3j plus 6k. So what is given for us is phi. Let us consider this value, that is phi is equals to 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z, and the point given is 2, minus 1, 2. So first of all we need to find out what is del phi. A formula for del phi is given by dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. And this implies del phi is given by 4z cube, that is when we do what is dou phi by dou x, that is phi need to be differentiated with respect to x. So we will be getting 4z cube minus 6x y square into z of I plus, this is dou phi by dou y. When we differentiate this phi with respect to y, the first term will become 0, the second term will be 2y, and it is multiplied with this. Therefore we will be getting 6x square y z into j plus dou phi by dou z. If you differentiate this with respect to z, what do we get is 3z square multiplied with 4, which will be 12xz square minus 3x square y square into 1. Therefore it is 3x square y square into k. And we have determined what is del phi. And we need, in order to determine what is a directional derivative, we first find out at the point, and also this is along the direction. So along the direction means its magnitude needs to be determined. So del phi is given by this, and at the point of del phi, by substituting the point what has been given 2, minus 1 and 2. So when we substitute that, we will be getting 32 minus 24 into I plus 48j plus 96 minus 12k, or 8i plus 48j plus 84k. Let us call this as a vector A. And it's given it has to be in the direction 2i minus 3j plus 6k. And let us find out what is n cap. N cap is the formula given by d by its magnitude. So the n cap is given by d, that is 2i minus 3j plus 6k divided by 2 square and 3 square, that is 9, and then 6 square, that is 36. So totally it will become 49 it is. So 49 root will be 7. So we are getting the n cap is this, and the directional derivative is given by the vector A dot of n cap. So the vector A, what we have found is 8i plus 48j plus 84k into n cap or dot of n cap. So when we do this dot product, that is I dot I, j dot j and k dot k, if we do, we are getting, this is the answer, that is 16 minus 144 plus 504 divided by 7. Therefore the directional derivative is 376 divided by 7. Let's see the next question. Find directional derivative xy cube plus yz cube at the point 2, minus 1, 1 in the direction of vector I plus 2j plus 2k. So given function is phi, let's consider that xy cube plus yz cube, and the point is 2, minus 1 and 1, and del phi or grad phi has to be determined for the given phi, that is given by the formula dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou z k. When we determine this with respect to x or differentiate this with respect to x, we will be getting y cube only, because this term doesn't have x, it will become 0. Similarly, in order to find dou phi by dou y, let us differentiate this with respect to y. So it will be 3y square into x plus the derivative of y is 1, therefore z cube. Okay. Next, in order to differentiate this with respect to z, the first term will become 0 and the second term will be 3z square into y. So we have got a del phi of it. That is a del phi, and the point what they have given is 2 minus 1 and 1. We need to substitute 2 minus 1 and 1 in the del phi. So del phi at the point is given by, on substitution of the point, we are getting minus I plus 7j minus 3k. Let us call this as a vector A, and it's given that direction, that is the direction is I plus 2j plus 2k. So n cap is given by d divided by its magnitude. So when we do calculate the magnitude of it, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, which will be 1 plus 4 plus 4 is 9, and at the root of 9 it will be 3. So the directional derivative is given by a dot n cap. So which gives us 1 by 3 times of minus 1 plus 14 minus 6. This on multiplication of I components, j components and then the k components respectively. We get it as 7 divided by 3. Let's see another problem. Find the directional derivative phi is equal to x square plus y square plus 2z square at the point 2, 1, 2, 3 along the direction of the line PQ is 4i minus 2j plus k. So it's given phi is equal to x square plus y square plus 2z square and the point is 1, 2, 3. Therefore, del phi is given by dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou z k. This is the formula for grad phi. And when we determine this, or it is differentiate, when you differentiate this with respect to x, it is 2x. With respect to y, it is 2y. With respect to z, it is 4z. So del phi is given by this. At the point when we substitute, we will be getting that is respectively 1, 2, 3 is the point. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 into j plus 4 into 3 into k. On simplification, we get 2i plus 4j plus 12k. We will name this as A, and PQ is given by 4i minus 2j plus k. So n cap can be determined by finding the magnitude of PQ. So it will be 16 plus 4 plus 1, that is root of 21, which cannot be simplified further. Let's keep it as it is. And here it is 4i minus 2j plus k. That is the n cap. Now we need to determine what is the directional derivative. So the directional derivative formula is given by A dot of n cap, where A is 2i plus 4j plus 12k dot of 4i minus 2j plus k divided by root of 21. So and multiplication 2 into 4, that is 8, 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8, 12 into 1, that is 12. So 8 and 8 gets cancelled. We will be getting 12 as the answer. So that is 12 divided by root of 21. So the given for a given function phi at the point and at the direction, the directional derivative is given by 12 divided by root of 21. Further, if we want, we can, it is not possible to simplify because root 21 is, 21 is not a perfect square. So we can leave it at this. Thank you.